Well, I would have to say it's been a disastrous year because Kenyans are by and large worse off than where they were 12 months ago. On the cost of living, it is clear that just about the price of everything has gone up. Now, cost of food has gone up, and you would think that might make farmers happy. I'll give you an example. Onions, the price of onions is up 22%. The price of milk, 14%, and so on. Beans are up 32%. So you might think the farmers are better off, but they are not, because the price of electricity that farmers are using, the price of diesel that the farmers are using, electricity is up 63%. Diesel is up 28%. Paraffin that we use in the homes is up 32%. So even though the farmers may be getting slightly more for what they produce, they are actually worse off because the cost of that production, with the exception of this story of fertilizer, the costs are up. If you look